Hey, hello, this is Byron, and thank you for joining me for another home body weight workout. Today I'm going to do a chest workout using the chairs to do a sort of below plane chest workout. I'm going to couple that with some downward angle push-ups. So push-ups using the chair is going to be like my primary chest workout today. And then I'm going to do the downward sloping angle push-ups with the chair. So easy to demonstrate. But make sure you always warm up before you exercise. Okay. Always get a warm up. You know, do some aerobics, do some stretching, do what you have to do before you start your strength training. Okay. So with that being said, let's start the chest workout. I'm gonna do it about wider than shoulder width. You can move the chairs around and do it sort of inward about shoulder width. You can even try to do it close in, but kind of lifting your head down a little bit. You can't do it too close in, when you're doing below plane exercises. But okay, I'm gonna do wider than shoulder hand position this time. Stick my hands on here, and let's begin. Breathe normally. Keep your back straight. Okay, so notice this is it's sort of an upward sloping angle as I'm doing the exercise, but I'm going below the plane, so I'm bringing my chest actually below my shoulders as I'm doing the exercise, which is very good. Just be careful you don't injure yourself. You can injure yourself when you overextend. Don't overextend too much with weight, with too much body weight. Or any kind of weight when you overextend. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump back and forth between these exercises. And I'm pivoting on my back foot, okay? So I have my feet together like so, and I'm actually pivoting as I come up. So I'm pivoting to keep the range of motion as straight as possible. I'm trying to keep it, the motion coming upward as straightly as possible. All right, so let's move this chair a little bit out of the way so I can do my below plane exercises. So again, I'm going to keep the same hand position. You should try to keep the same hand position throughout the exercise, even if you're doing different exercises. Just to keep some consistency, at least with one workout. We do want variation, but not too much variation. Okay, so let's go through it. Okay. Whew. That is, you notice you really feel it as you're going from, an upward facing angle to a downward facing angle. You really feel the difference in how it affects your muscles, how it impacts your muscles. All right. Just one more set. We'll do 2 sets of each. Okay, and the variation in the angles, jumping from an upward angle to a downward angle. Boy, you'll definitely feel that, but it's good. You really want a strong impact on your muscles as you're doing the exercise. So,
jump back to this one. Make sure we're getting a wide shoulder width, shoulder grip. Wider than shoulder. Okay. And as you're jumping back and forth between an upward angle and a downward sloping angle, you will notice it exhausts your muscles very quickly because of the impact, the variation in the impact from different parts of your muscle. Okay, and that gets pretty tough. At first it's easy, and then it gets pretty tough. Let's try one more. So, alright, move that out of the way. We'll go back to the downward sloping exercise. Push-ups. Yeah, and that gets pretty difficult pretty quickly, which is actually very good for you. But fantastic way to really get a strong impact on your muscles, to really shock your muscles and force them to work and to grow. All right, variation in the angles. Yeah, good stuff. All right, so as you start to get along in the exercises, just flex for about 20-30 seconds. Oh, just get a nice little stretch in there. It is getting pretty tough now. I'm surprised how quickly it got tough just from variations in the angles, going from an upward to a downward looking angle. It really does shock the muscles quite significantly. All right. Feeling the fatigue now. So as you get along in the exercise and you're starting to reach your maximum points of failure, terminal points of failure, just be sure you focus on the negative resistance. Really focus on the downward motion coming down slowly and holding it as long as possible. All right. Okay. Back to the downward push-ups. Okay, good workout, man. Fabulous workout. Okay. I just remember one of the prime benefits of the home workout, the home body weight workout, is you can really max out, without worrying so much about injuring yourself like you do with a gym workout, where you have to worry about dropping weights, sometimes dropping weights on yourself, sometimes just dropping weights on the floor and damaging other things. So just be careful of that. pretty tough. Pretty tough. All right, let's move the chairs back in position. See how many we got left with the upward angle push-ups. How many we got left in the storehouse here? Oh. All right. Oh. Yeah, just hold as long as possible. Really focus on the negative resistance. Even though it goes against, what all the self-help gurus say. Focus on the negative. At least when you're getting a home workout. Focus on the negative resistance. All right, so I'm gonna do one more stop and hold here. Oh. Okay. Whew. Good stuff. Okay, back to this one. If I can't do very many on this, during this exercise, during this set, I'll, stop and hold, again, focusing on the negative resistance. Very important to do that. Very important. All right. Tough stuff, but good stuff. Okay, the harder the exercise gets, the better it is for me, generally speaking. So always focus on making, especially with home workouts, focus on making it as difficult and challenging as possible. That way you get the most benefit out of them. All right, let's flex one more time. For about 10-15 seconds. A little bit of a shorter flex. Okay, and right back into the exercise. Okay. Okay, so let's do a quick stop and hold with chest here. All right, let's jump right back into this one and do a quick stop and hold. Hold that for very long. Woo! Okay. Fantastic workout. Fabulous workout. So anyway, that is the way to get our workout, get a good, excellent chest workout in a very short amount of time. That only took me, what did it take me? Like under 15 minutes. I'm still under 14 minutes actually. Yeah. That is just varying the angles, going from an upward sloping angle to a downward sloping angle, does a fantastic job of really giving you a good chest workout at home. And, it's quick and easy, man. And just make sure that you're on the end of at the bottom of the exercise, at the bottom of the workout, and, as you're beginning, or excuse me, as you're ending the workout. I didn't even talk today. As you're ending the workout, just make sure that you really focus on the negative resistance. It's so important because you're exhausted. Maybe you can't do so many sets, but just keep working, and especially focusing on the negative resistance. Anyway, so this is Byron signing off. And just everyone remember to keep motivated to work out at home. It's so quick and easy to do, and man, you have so much fun doing it, I mean, if you like the adrenaline rush, do it. Go for it. And thank you very much. Stay strong out there, and we'll see you next time.